All right, so Mac 132, what did we learn today? Well, we handed back the test, your first test, and we went over that in detail. If you missed any of those questions, that was a fairly straightforward test. Please make sure you understand all the GD and T symbols and the standard, the name of the standard, and what GD and T stands for. Other than that, I think everybody did pretty well on it. The next thing was we spent the rest of the class going over the last 3 exercises in your blueprint reading book. It's very important that you be able to do those kinds of exercises if you want to do well on the test. We particularly talked about how when you see a feature of size with GD and T attached to it, that and a datum attached to that dimension, that means that the actual datum is the axis of that diameter. You see that on one of the prints repeatedly. Another place you see GD and T attached to a surface, then it's just referring to that surface as the datum. When it's attached to a feature of size, then it points to the axis that that feature is around. It is not the feature of self, it is the axis of that feature. We had to go over that repeatedly. Also on those drawings are many times when you have to add up dimensions to find an overall length and what is permitted. Another case is wall thicknesses. When you have a bolt circle and a bolt going out to one diameter, how much wall thickness is there when everything is at its biggest size? So be very careful. If you want to do well on the test, then you must be able to do those last 3 exercises in chapter 4 well. I have the answers in my office, and I went over the answers with everybody in class today, telling the rest of them to please circle certain questions and not write the answer down so that they were able to do it for the test. I will find out if the test is going to be this Wednesday or next Monday, and I will post that or send an email before the next class. Thank you, and we'll see you Wednesday.